Hello and good evening. Today we have the setup to make some tornadoes. We're going to try. We have two that are already set up and wrapped here. Alright. And then in a little bit here, we're going to go ahead and cook them. Okay? So we have some corn, some chicken. This is barbecue chicken. And we got some cheese. Now you can use any type of cheese. Any type of cheese you want to. Alright? Now here's our knife right here. Now don't you cut nobody now. Alright? And then we're going to take this wrap. And you're just going to slice it in half. And that's going to give you that beautiful little curl there. Right there. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, now after you have wrapped them up, you're going to bake it on about 300. Okay? Right there. About. I said about. It's probably about 280 or some shit. Okay? Okay, see a nice glaze on them there? Now what you do is you take some butter and you know, whatever flavoring you want to put in there, go ahead just like that, okay? And after baking them for about probably, let's see what time is it, probably about, I'm going to say about 25 minutes, okay? On 300. You're going to take them out and put a little bit of butter on them like that, just like that, yeah, real nice like that. Now just so you know, this is not the exact way that they're made, okay? So I'm just going off whatever I think would be good. Alright, so I'm going to put another layer of butter on here. Okay, now that we got the second layer of butter on there, okay, all we're going to do here is take this, put it on there back in the stove on 300 just for a couple minutes here, okay. Now it's going to get that nice little golden brown color on there is what we're looking for, alright.